Hey, welcome back to another episode. I'm going to do a tool review on this one, so let's pick one. The ryobi box that I made. Did that before I thought about making videos, so I might make another video and build another one, seeing as I've run out of space in it now. Tell you what, let's have a look at this one. Ryobi crown stapler. I think that'd be a good one to start with. So I'll just reposition camera, be back in a minute. Right, got a few supplies what I need to set it all up. It's quite a nice little tool. Came in very useful for a job that I was doing. So let's load it up. Got my staples. If you're wondering, can't quite remember how much I paid for this now, but if I can figure it out, I'll put a link in the description to where I bought it from. So start off on low power. I'll show you what that does. As you can see, pretty much level. It is a softwood light, but let's crank it up a bit. Rapid fire. This comes off, so if you're stapling the fabric, you've got your teeth here, move it down one and it'll hold your fabric in place. Spin it round if you want to hold a cable in centre. Be careful with that though, make sure you are lined up, because I did actually go straight through the centre of a cable that I was putting up. Had to redo it again, which a few nice Yorkshire words came out. Got an arrow, I don't know if you can see that, shows whereabouts the staple is going to come out. So that's where the arrow is. So that's about it really. There's not much more I can say about it. It's a bloody stapler, does what it's supposed to. Feels nice. Right, cheers for watching. Like I said, still new to making these videos, so sorry if it's a bit crap. I feel a bit of a twat talking to my camera in the garage, all on my lonesome, but it is what it is. On my next video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit more creative. It's going to be do a bit of scrap art. What I'll do is I'll put a few pictures of some stuff that I've already done just at the end of this video, give you an idea of what sort of stuff I'll be doing. So if that's something that you'd like to see, well, you know what to do, you're not a fucking idiot. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.